Hello YouTube, this is Alarm Fan 8 today, and today we're just going to do an update on Kyle's new alarm sounder he has. It is from the company called Ventcroft, and
it's called the limited.
It's a classic compact alarm. It's basically their bottom of the range alarm sounder.
I said what the company is called, Ventcroft Limited.
Ventcroft
Limited.
So we have rigged it up to the Scantronic 9452 control panel.
And this is one of the older ones.
And it is
the old one.
There it is.
That's the older version. A single at the pace. It says I got it somewhere. It says.
I don't know.
The what it says on. It says it's. You can't buy it anymore.
Oh, it says it's discontinued.
Discontinued.
So this is the discontinued model.
And this is all the ones I do now. One like that with cells and lights.
They do vision, don't they?
Yeah, but see nights and all. And here's what this one goes like.
And there we have it. There is also a tamper-proof function on it. Are you going to show the tamper-proof on it? No. We'll just show them on the side of it.
I want to show them how it works.
There's a tamper-proof right there on it. No, we're not going to do that now.
And it just goes like that, and that just kicks.
Yeah, when that spring goes back in, it actually sets the thing off.
No, it kicks. Like, you know, it makes like a little kicking sound.
Yeah. That's just a micro switch, that is, basically. And there's the actual sounder. Right there. There is actually an jumper adjusters on it.
Yeah, you can turn the battery on. You know when you wipe the code in, wipe those two codes to set it off. Then they've got one, it's a timer, and it times with an arm. So only got 2 times on it.
So it's got a timer adjustment. Some of them have a siren adjustment as well on it.
This one's not got it on it.
But as this is the basic model,
the $6 one is going to have that timer on it.
Yeah, we might go for a more expensive one this time on the next
And this is what
alarm.
the substance look like. Can we read that?
I've just got the wiring connections.
It's got
commissioning in.
That's what it says.
Yeah, it says like the yellow jumper inside the case.
It's a timer.
You can have that one's got the sweep, and then they do a high-low, which is like a UK British police car.
No,
and that one's like
what UK British police car?
This one's got the American fire engine style siren on it.
Yeah, and it goes wee wee. And the one across the road makes that noise too.
And it also shows you how to connect to
the new
sounders up to one control panel.
And what the new British P car goes like?
I don't know.
Oh no. Dee doo 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 doo.
Yeah. So what do you say now?
Right, so no, and that's all the wiring.
And that's all wiring. And bye for now, and please subscribe to Alarm Fan 8.
Yeah.
For alarms and the fans and things like that.
Right,
if you're into that sort of thing.
It just had tamper shits. It just had that little kick.
Yeah.
That's the tamper shits.
Right, bye for now.